So what you'll need is roughly 200 grams of bacon blocks, pasta of your choice. I have cooked roughly 200 grams of penne pasta, 1 clove of garlic chopped, 1 small shallot also chopped, roughly 50 grams of tomato puree, shredded Parmesan cheese. To taste, here I have roughly 2 tablespoons, 150 grams of heavy cream, a little bit of pasta water from cooking your pasta. I didn't really measure it, I'm just eyeballing it, roughly 2 tablespoons, something like that. Some chili flakes, roughly 1 tablespoon. And if you want to make it a little bit spicier, which I'm going to do, I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some parsley to finish everything off, and of course pepper and some salt. Oh yeah, and some olive oil, which will be frying our everything in almost. Let's do this. So first of all, take a pan and put it on a fire. First we're going to fry our bacon blocks. Let your bacon fry until it's crispy. So once your bacon is nice and crispy, turn off the fire and take your bacon out. So I've cleaned my pan a little bit so that the burnt little crispy bacon bits are out of there. Now put it back on the fire, add a good amount of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in your shallot and your diced garlic. Give it a good stir and let them fry until they start looking glazy. So once everything has softened up a bit, add in your tomato paste, give it a good stir, add the chili and the cayenne pepper, give it a good stir so that everything is nice and incorporated. You want to fry your tomato paste for roughly 30 seconds to a minute so that the strong flavor of the tomato paste is gone. After that, add in your cream, keep stirring until everything is nicely mixed. Season everything with some salt and some pepper. Alright, now it's time to add the pasta. Just throw it in there together with a little bit of the pasta water and give everything a real good mix so that all of your pasta is coated. So at the end, this is completely optional. You can add a little knob of butter just to make everything more creamy. At this point, I'm also going to add the Parmesan cheese and the bacon. Mix everything up and there you go. Just turn off the fire and serve it up.